All right, back with more news on how the Tukde Tukde Rao has reignited. This time around, Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra has questioned the silence of a select few on the Jharkhand horrors. He says people like, and he goes on to name them, Shabana Azmi, Javed Akhtar and Naseeruddin Shah are among others, are all members of the Tukde Tukde gang sleeper cell, he says. He says, tell me whether she had said anything on the murder of Kanhaiya Lal in Udaipur. No, she did not. So that's him taking a jibe at Shabana Azmi. Let's first up listen in.
ये क्या है? शबाना आजमी हैं, ये जावेद अख्तर जी हैं, नसरुद्दीन शाह हैं, ये सब टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग की स्लीपर सेल हैं। अच्छा, आप बताओ, कन्हैया कुमार की हत्या, ये वहां पे जो कन्हैया की हत्या हुई थी, कन्हैया लाल की, राजस्थान में, उस पर बोली थी ये? कुछ नहीं बोली थी। अभी हमारी बेटी को झारखंड में जिंदा जला दिया, बोली ये? कुछ नहीं बोली। भाजपा शासित राज्य में अगर कोई घटना हो जाए, फिर आप देखिए नसरुद्दीन शाह जी को, इनको फिर देश में रहने से डर लगेगा, फिर एक अवार्ड वापसी गैंग है वो सक्रिय हो जाएगी, वो फिर गला फाड़ फाड़ कर चिल्लाएगी। ये अपनी घटिया मानसिकता का परिचय देते हैं। इन्हें सभ्य और धर्मनिरपेक्ष कैसे कहा जा सकता है, ये विचार है। अब इन सब लोगों की कलई खुल चुकी है देश के अंदर।
So you heard Narottam Mishra there. Now Congress has hit out at the Madhya Pradesh Home Minister. P. Chidambaram has countered what Narottam Mishra has said and has taken to Twitter to say, why did the Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh stop with calling Shabana Azmi, Javed Akhtar and Naseeruddin Shah members of Tukde Tukde gang? I declared in Parliament that I was a member of the Tukde Tukde gang. So that's him taking a sly jibe at what Narottam Mishra had said. He also says I had pointed out that in the answer to a question, the MHA said that the government had no information on the Tukde Tukde gang. So that's his rebuttal coming into what Madhya Pradesh Home Minister has said. Let me go across to Govind joining us with more details. Govind, सिलसिला शुरू हो गया है, war of words has broken out already, but नरोत्तम मिश्रा ये कहते हुए बाहर आए हैं कि जब बिल्किस बानो की बात की जाए तो सब आवाज उठाते हैं। उन्होंने इन 3-4 लोगों के नाम लिए पर चुप्पी बना के रखते हैं जब भी किसी नॉन बीजेपी स्टेट में कोई भी क्राइम होता है।
Yeah, absolutely. Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Narottam Mishra, comes with a big bang attack. In fact, he has made a very serious allegation on 3 images, whether we talk about Shabana Azmi, Javed Akhtar and Naseeruddin Shah, and he has told, he has claimed that these personalities are the sleeper cells of Tukde Tukde gang. So definitely, this is what the reactions also coming, number of reactions coming on these kind of statement. Let's see that what all reaction comes from Shabana Azmi, Naseeruddin Shah and Javed Akhtar on this kind of...
So essentially you have Narottam Mishra saying that these are the select few who see crime only non-BJP states, to which P. Chidambaram has also responded. Let's see how it plays out. With that, it's time for us to head into a very short break. Be right back with more news updates.